Abdul Hannan. Let's discover the universe with the beautiful names of Allah.
Little train to the universe, move slow and bright.
Kids say Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahman in the glowing light.
First stop, Earth spinning blue and green.
Whispers Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahim, peaceful and serene.
Next stop, the moon shining soft in the night.
Says Anor, Anor with silver white light.
Planets circling gently in a calm wide ring.
Calling El-Malik, El-Malik, the one true king.
Stars gather together like a shining sea.
Saying Al-Khalik, Al-Khalik, maker of all we see.
Galaxies join slowly, turning beautifully.
And a super galaxy forms across eternity.
Kids look up high.